Hi, built this veranda during lockdown and COVID, but since we built it this time of year, winter, it gets all the elements blown through it, so I needed something to sort of try and stop that. And searching online, I came across this company, Cunningham's, and I got in touch with them. They're based in Northern Ireland. We are from the northeast of England, so obviously you're sort of thinking you're taking a bit of a punt, because obviously you can't contact them face to face. But anyhow, I put a rough sketch in of what I required. They got back to me, gave me a price, and we went ahead with it. Basically what they do is they send the drawings out, and as long as you've given them perfectly good measurements and checked, and then checked again with your measurements, we received this. And to be perfectly honest, this was put up in less than 2 hours. It comes in two sections. The first section's the section see there with the two windows, and then this section is the window and the door. What I found was the service from them was absolutely excellent. Contacting them through email, I was getting answers with questions back within a day. Found everyone very helpful. Found the cost very good, and the quality is very good. And like I said, it took less than 2 hours to put in. Like I said, what you need to check is just to make sure that you give them the correct sizes when they send you the CAD drawings. When you've placed your order, if you're not sure, get someone to check them, the sizes. And I think as long as you've got the sizes correct, you will not have an issue. The company is absolutely excellent, and I couldn't recommend them anymore. Thank you.